Hey! Welcome back to the channel where we take complex code and turn into crystal clear logic. Today we are diving into a really cool and brainly problem called concatenated words. Sounds fancy, right? The goal. Given a list of words, we need to find all the words that are made up by joining at least two other words from the same list. Yup, it's like playing with Lego blocks but using strings. We will explore how to solve this efficient techniques like try, DFS and memorization to handle even the trickiest cases. So, if you're preparing for interviews or just want to sharpen your DSA game, stick around, grab your keyboard and let's crack the puzzle together. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more coding magic. So, let's go! Let's try to solve this question by the name of concatenated words. So, let's start. So, it is giving me an array of a string words without duplicates, and we wanted to run the all concatenated words. Let me highlight it, concatenated words in the given list of words, in this given list of words. Okay, a concatenated word, please highlight it one more time of the concatenated words. Concatenated word is defined as a string that is comprised entirely of at least two shorter words, not necessarily distinct in the given array. Okay. So now we in today's our task is we want to write the all concatenated words in the given list of words. So if you see this example one in which he wrote it, here he created one string array by the name of words in which he write cat, cats, dog, cats, dog, hippopotamus, rat, cat, dog, cat, and the output will be coming cats, dog, rat, cat, dog, cat. Now, why this type of output has been coming? Because cats can be concatenated by cats and dog and cats. Dog, cats and dog can be concatenated by dog, cats and dog. And rat, cat, dog, cat can be concatenated by rat, cat, dog and cat. Okay. So, that is why this type of output. I know you do not understand. So, let me tell you clearly. Now, like the first output has been coming cats. So let me make his length. So the first output has been coming cats, dog, cats. Why? Because cats, dog, cats concatenated let me by cats, dog, cats. So that's why the output has been coming cat, dog and cat, because cat, dogs, cats is concatenated by cats, dog and cats. Okay. Now let's come on it here. So now dog, cats, dog. Now this type of one output has been coming. Why? Because dog, cats, dog concatenated by dog, cats, dog. So that's why this type of one output has been coming. So let's see our third one. The third one is rat, dog, cat. Rat, cat, dog, cat. Rat, cat, dog, cat. Now why this type of output coming? Because rat, cat, dog, cat concatenated by rat, cat, dog, cat. So that's why this type of an output is coming, because rat, cat, dog, cat has been concatenated by rat, cat, dog, cat. Okay. So I hope you understand. So in our case example 1 means our case 1 our output will become cats, dog, cats, dog, rat, cat, dog, cat. So let's see our example 2. Here he created one empty string array by the name of words in which he wrote in down cat, dog, and the output will be coming only cat, dog. Okay. Why? Because cat, dog. cat dog concatenated by cat comma dog. So that's why this type of an output I been coming. Now let's see the constraint. So you will be use this constraint to solve this question, solve the questions. Okay. So now anyways, let's come over Google Chrome and now let's start to solve about this concatenated words question. And let's, if I told you this is question number 472 which we are solving in today's video. The LeetCode Camp has been updated, so that's why I am showing like this. Okay. So now there are many codes which we are right because there's a hard one. So now we are solving in the Python 3. So I am starting from class try. Dev init now self. You are thinking why do you not define a class of a solution? I will be define it. Okay, self children equals to none and sorry, and I will multiply by 26. Self is and equals to false. Enter back. Okay, and then I define a def insert self comma w semicolon node equals to self, enter. Then I define for loop c in w idx equals to ordc minus ord ratio a, enter. Now if node dot children idx is none, and please backspace from here, and none and should be in capital, enter, and remove these all the code, enter. Node dot children idx equals to try t will be in capital, enter. And I think so backspace from here, node equals to node dot children idx. Then when I define this type of code, backspace one more time, dot is and equals to true, enter. Now backspace. Now here, now we define a class for solution. But it's a very main thing. If we now def keyword find all concatenated words in our dict self comma words list string then minus greater than list then string then semicolon then enter. Def keyword dfs w, if not w then return, here we return true, enter. Back node equals to try for loop I comma c in enumerate w shall be in small letter, idx equals to ordc minus ord shall be a, enter. If statement node dot children idx is none, enter. Return false, enter. Back, and then node equals to node dot children idx, enter. If node dot is and dfs w I plus 1 then ratio, then define here one more time ratio, return here true, and then return here false, enter. Then enter try equals to try, and then back, and then ans equals to square bracket words dot sort key equals to lambda x length x. For w in words, if dfs one more time, and then like this, Now ans dot append. So append, like you all the people know, append means it will be merge two things together. Else statement, enter. Back, enter. Try dot insert w. W should be in small letter, must be back, return here means return here answer. Perfect. So when I write our all the code, now last recheck our codes, okay, and 716 people submit this question and only 145 has been accepted, and user tried is 226 and user accepted is 115. Means that if you plus let's come on it here, 145 and 115, 145 plus 115, 145 plus 115, so it is called 260. 216 people has been correct this. So now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so I hope our running code will be not any error. So here you can see our running code has been correct. In our case, whenever expected output is cats, dog, cats, and dog, cats, dog, and rat, cat, dog, cat, and our same output has been coming. In the case to case 2 our output has been coming cat, dog, and expected output is also be that. So let's see the submission code. Then the submission code is also be accepted. If you see here, the submission code has been accepted. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you know, so these type of videos on the channel. So let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So now for today, goodbye.